Okay, so let's have the review problem number 2. So the rope AB, okay, exerts a 50 Newton force T on collar A. Determine the vector component of T parallel to the bar CD. Okay. So, kailangan makuha muna natin yung bar CD, but first, lagyan muna natin siya ng mga origin. Okay. Coordinates 0, 0, 0. Yung B natin is 0. So, Y is 0.5. And then sa Z is 0.15. Ang C natin sa X is 0.4, 0.3, and then 0. And lastly, ang D natin is 0.2, 0, and then 0.25. Okay? So, madali lang kunin. Unahin ko muna si R. Ito na lang lagay kasi baka bumusan tayo ng space. So, RCD. Okay. So, madali naman yon from C to D. So, 0.2 minus 0.4. 0.2 minus 0.4. So, negative 0.2 of I. And then 0 minus 0.3, negative 0.3 of J. And then 0.25 of K. No? 0.25 minus 0. Okay? So, kunin ko si RCD. So, that's equal to square root of 0.2 squared plus 0.3 squared plus 0.25 squared. So, that's around 0.439. Okay? Yan, iyak na nang iyak yung ano. Okay? So, para makuha natin yon, kukunin ko na ngayon si lambda CD. Okay, i-divide ko lang naman. So, you have negative 0.2 divided by triple A. So, that's a negative 0.456 of I minus 0.684 of J. And then you will be having here plus 0.56 of 570 na. 5698 eh. So, 570 of A. Okay. So, ito na yung lambda natin sa CD. So, ngayon, hindi nga lang natin alam kung ano si T. Okay, kailangan natin makuha yung unit vector dito. Okay, sa line na to. Okay. Kailangan natin makakuha dyan ng unit vector AB. Okay? So, kailangan makuha muna natin si RAB. Okay? However, si RAB, walang ibinigay, no? Unless na alam natin yung kanyang coordinates. Okay, so pwede natin gawin ganito. Okay, since meron na akong lambda CD, and take note that this CD, okay, nag-originate siya doon. Okay? So, kung i-multiply ko yung 0.2 dito, ito na yung distance nun. Okay? Babalik ako sa R. Okay? Now, pwede kong gawin para makuha ko si ROA. Okay? So, kumbaga, pwede kong kunin to. Okay, kuha ko dyan ng isang vector, position vector. Tawagin ko yung ROA. Okay. And then, pwede rin akong kumuha dun sa C. Okay, papuntang C. Okay. So, you will be having here ROC. Okay? And then, para makuha ko yon, so, ROA, okay? Para makuha ko si ROA, pwede kong gawin, kasi pag ganun siya, tapos, pwede kong kunin si ROC, okay? Tapos, i-add ko. Okay? Mag-a-add ako ng 0.2 meters. Okay, 0.2. Okay? And then, meron na ako ditong unit vector eh. So, para makuha ko yung tunay na distance nun, So, i-multiply ko doon. So, multiply ko by the unit vector CD. Okay? So, ano yung ROC ko? So, madali ko naman yung ROC. So, yung ROC, that is ROC equals to 0.4 of I plus 0.3 of J plus 0 of K. Okay? So, yung ROA ko, that would become 0.4 of I plus 0.3 of J plus 0 of K. And then, 0.2, okay? Yan ako na. 0.2 multiplied by negative 0.456. So, that is negative 0.0912 of I. And then, you will be having here 0.2 multiplied by this one, negative 0.684. Oops. So that is negative 0.1368 of J. And then lastly, so plus 0.570 multiplied it by 0.2. Okay, so that's 0.114 of K. Okay, so pwede ko na siyang makuha. So 0.4 minus 0.0912. So that is 0.309 of I, and then 0.3 minus 0.1368. So that is plus 0.163 of J. So this is now your ROA. And then lastly, plus 0.114 of K. So, meron na akong nakuha ang ROA. Sir, bakit ko kinuha yung ROA? Again, ang sabi ko nga, kailangan nating makuha yung pinaka-RAB. Okay? Kasi, para makuha natin yon, we need to get this RAB. Okay? Yung RAB na yon. So, RAB. Ngayon, kaya ko rin namang kunin kasi si ROB. Tama ba? Yun. So, this is now the ROB. Okay? So, you have here the RAB. Okay? Yun yung kailangan ko makuha. RAB. Now, kung meron akong ROA, ito yung ROA ko. Yan. Again, ROA. From O to A, ROA. Pag inad ko si A to B, mapupunta ko sa B. So, again, para siyang 0 to B. Okay? Vector, by vector, I could say that my ROA plus RAB is equals to ROB. Okay? O to A to B is equal to O to B. Okay? So, itong kailangan kong mahanap, so in short, yung aking RAB, it is just equals to ROB minus ROA. Meron na akong OB. Kaya kong kunin si OB kasi that is just equal to, okay, 0 minus 0, 0i, 0.5 plus 0.5 of J, and then plus 0.15 of K. Okay? Tapos meron na rin akong ROA. So, I can now find the RAB. So, 0 minus 0.309. So, that is negative 0.309 of I. And then, 0.5. Okay? Minus 0.163. So, you will be having here plus 0.337. And the next 0.15 minus 0.114, so plus 0.036 of K. Okay? So this is now the ROB. Next, para makuha ko si lambda AB, kailangan kong kunin to. So that is just equal to square root of 0.309 squared plus 0.337 squared plus 0.036 squared. Or that's equal to 0.459 meters. Okay? And then, I can now have the lambda AB. So, pag-divide ko lang yung vector RAB divided by RAB. Okay, so negative 0.309, ito yon, i-divide ko ng 0.459. Okay, so that's around negative 0.673 of I. Okay, and then plus this time 0.337 divided by 0.459, so that's around 0.734 of J. And then lastly, okay, J, yeah, 0.036. Okay, so plus 0.078 of K. Yan. So meron ka na yan. So I could have now the tension. So i-multiply ko lang yung 50 Newton dito sa vector na to. Okay, so 50 times 0.673, so that is negative 33.65 of I, and then 0.734, so plus 36.7 of J, and then 0.078, so plus 3.9 of K. Okay? So meron na akong tension, and then ang gagawin ko na lang, kukunin ko na yung component sa CD. Walang problema doon. So I could just have it equal to tension parallel to CD. So that's equal to our tension T, the dot product natin sa CD. Okay? So ayun, kaya niya na i-dot product yan. Negative 33.65 multiplied by negative 0.456 plus 36.7 multiplied by negative 0.684 plus 3.9 multiplied by 0.570. Okay, so we will be having here negative 7.535, and this is now in Newton. Okay, so if meron ka ng Newton, okay, pwede ka na ngayong kumuha ng vector form. Okay? So, yung negative 7.535 mo, i-multiply natin dito sa lambda CD. Okay. So, again, that is the magnitude. Okay, yung parallel niya, again, kung parallel nga pala yan, it could be positive or negative, ano, kasi two-way naman talaga siya. Okay, so sige. I-multiply natin yon. So, negative 0.456 of the tension, so that is 3.436 of I, and then plus 684, 5.154 of J, and then 0.570 minus 4.295 of K. Yeah. So this is now the answer. Okay, the perpendicular force parallel to our plane. So that's 3.43 of I plus 5.154 of J, and then minus 4.29 of K in Newton. Okay, so that is the second. Again, ang ginawa natin dito is the series of position vector. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo makuha yon, ay katulad yung ROC, gusto ko makuha si ROA, kaya lang wala akong RCA. So, if meron kang unit vector, okay, i-add mo lang yon. Okay? I-add mo yung CD. Take note, okay, dapat, syempre, nagmumula ka from C to D. Okay? Baka kasi magmula ka from D to C. Take note of that.